Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce to you how to program Volkswagen 5C key with KD-X4. What is added then is a KD key. The original car key has been removed. Its appearance is the same as that of the KD key. In order to demonstrate the wiring methods to you, we use two original car keys. One of them already has the wires connected, then I'll show you the wiring diagram in a moment. As for this one, a KD circuit board is used. This circuit board allows the key PCB board to be installed here, and there are also two ports here. One of the ports can be connected to the KDMCs, then use the KDMX to do it. The remote generating cable can be connected for use. Then, this one can have 5 wires connected to it. It can also read and write data from other keys. This wire needs to be connected to the chip pin where the wake wire is attached. Because this connector only has 4 pins, so the 5th pin needs to be connected manually. Now navigate to the corresponding path. Now power on the device. Please note that the device version needs to be upgraded to 1.53 or higher. The app version must be upgraded to V8.7. 1 or later. Click IMO Programming. Click IMO Programming. Select the corresponding path. Select 5C 5D Immobilizer System. Start execution. Select Read the original car key and generate a dealer key. Here's a wiring diagram. Check the wiring diagram. Take a look at this key. The two keys are identical. All correspond to this wiring diagram. And this is an 8-pin adapter board. 5 wires are used for this. The corresponding 5 wires are connected from this plug, then align it with this board. The 5 wires on the board. There is a thin wire here. A thin metal wire. It is already connected to this pin. Then return. Then insert this adapter board. Now read this key. OK. Data reads successfully. After a successful read, the service code is also generated. Now we come to this process for generating dealer keys. Then place this KD key here. After placing it here, select KDZB Smart Key. Click OK. Then the writing process can be initiated. Restore the original car key after the writing process is completed. Then go to the vehicle to complete the matching, and it will be all set. OK. Writing successful. Now, let me explain this cardboard to you again. The key is now fixed in place. As for the fixation, there are 2 sliders right here. After you have securely clamped the key in place, slide it up again. Now remove the adapter board. Insert the cardboard. After inserting it, there is a pin holding it in place. After it is held in place, return to the previous menu and read it again. Data read successful. Then follow the same steps as before to generate the key and perform the in-vehicle matching. Okay, now let's learn the key in the car. The OBD has been plugged into the car. There are 2 keys. One is KD's, which is new, and the other is the original one. Now let's learn this key. Then enter the matching function. Click IMO Programming. Select Volkswagen. Click Key Layering. Learn 2 keys, okay? It's in a smart key. Then you need to open the hood. Then you need to put the original key and stick the key to the induction coil. Okay? Okay? Click OK. Then select the corresponding service code. Okay? This indicates that the first key has been successfully learned. Then put this and stick the second key to learn here. Click Yes. This indicates that the second key has been successfully learned. Click OK. OK, then turn off the ignition switch. Open it again. Click OK. Then click OK. Learning completed. Additionally, if you perform key learning on vehicles manufactured in 2024 and 2025, mode access failed, you need to unlock the SFD. Before performing key learning, try the original car key. Unlocking functions normally. Locking functions normally. Test the matched car key. Locking functions normally. Unlocking functions normally. Now test the engine startup. Starting functions normally.
Okay.
All done?
正常。